Hello students, let's solve this question. A falling stone takes 0.2 second to fall past a window which is 1 meter high. From how far above the top of the window the stone was dropped? So a stone is dropped from some height and there is a window which is of 1 meter height, and this stone is crossing the window in 0.2 second. It is given to us. The height of window is given to us, it is crossing the window in 0.2 second. We need to find how far from the above or top of the window stone was dropped. We need to find out this height. Let us assume this height is h, then the height of stone to the bottom end of the window is going to be h plus 1. This height is going to be h plus 1, where h is in meter. Now, when a particle is dropped from some height, so it reaches ground in a time root 2h by g. So, when stone is dropped from this point, it will reach this point in a time root 2h by g, and for motion from this point, the release point to the bottom point of the window is going to be root 2 times of h plus 1 by g, because now height is h plus 1 and the difference of this time is 0.2 second. So, I can create an equation in h here. So, the equation is going to be root 2 times h plus 1 by g, which is the total time of motion from the release point to the bottom point of window, minus the motion which is from the top release point to the up point of the window. The difference of this time is going to be 0.2 second as given in question. So, we can solve this equation to get the value of h. I am going to take this term in LHS, then squaring, then I will square both the sides. So, I will get 2 times of h plus 1 by g equal to 0.2 plus this term square, it will be 0.04 a square plus b square is going to be 2h by g plus 2ab term, it will be 0.4 into root 2h by g. Now, h 2h by g term here and 2h by g term here are going to get cancelled out. So, I will be left with 2 by g minus 0.04 should equal to 0.4 into 2h by g. 2 by 10 is going to be 0.2, 0.2 minus 0.04, it is going to be 0.16, by 0.4 is going to be root over 2h by g, g is 10. You can solve this expression to get h as 0.8 meters. This should be the final answer. Thank you.